Hey, fur parents! If you're anything like me, your dog is more than just a pet. They're family. And what better way to spoil our furry family members than with a monthly surprise? Today, I'm diving into the world of BarkBox, the subscription box for our favorite four-legged friends. It's like a treasure chest arriving at your doorstep every month, filled with goodies that will make your pup's tail wag with joy. So grab your pup, click that link in the description for a special discount, and let's get into it. Trust me, you and your dog are in for a treat. First off, what is BarkBox? Well, imagine a monthly surprise party for your dog, delivered right to your door. Imagine Christmas morning, but for your dog. Yep, it's that magical. Every month, your dog gets to experience the joy of unwrapping new toys and treats. Month, but for your dog. Yep, it's that magical. Each box is packed with toys, treats, and chews, all themed. From pirates to dinosaurs, each month brings a new adventure for your pup. It's like a doggy costume party in a box. Now let's talk pricing, because we all want to know if this joy is affordable. The standard BarkBox subscription starts at $23 per month if you go for the 12-month plan. That's less than $1 a day for endless joy. But if commitment isn't your thing, opt for the 6-month plan at $26 per month. It's a great middle ground. Or if you're the kind of person who likes to test the waters first, there's a month-to-month option at $35. Perfect for those who want to see what all the fuss is about before diving in. Yep, they've got options for everyone. Whether you're ready to commit or just want to try it out, there's a plan for you. So what do you actually get? Let's break it down. Each BarkBox includes 2 unique toys, 2 bags of all-natural treats, and 1 chew. That's a lot of fun packed into one box. And let me tell you, these toys are not your average squeaky bones. They're designed to be engaging and durable. They're high quality, durable, and often hilarious. Your dog will be entertained for hours. I got a taco toy last month. A taco! It's these quirky, fun designs that make BarkBox stand out. The treats and chews are also top-notch. They're not just tasty, but also healthy. They're made in the USA or Canada with wholesome ingredients. No weird fillers, just pure goodness. Your pup will love every bite. Oh, and did I mention the Super Chewer option? It's perfect for those dogs who can destroy a toy in minutes. If your dog is a toy-destroying machine, the Super Chewer box is where it's at. These toys are built to last. It's a bit pricier, starting at $29 a month for the 12-month plan, but totally worth it for the indestructible toys and extra tough chews. Your dog will thank you. Now, a quick note on customization. BarkBox tailors the goodies to your dog's size and any allergies they have. So no matter if you have a tiny Chihuahua or a giant Great Dane, there's a perfect box for them. Plus, if your pup doesn't love something, their customer service is pawsome. They're always ready to help. They'll send a replacement toy or treat, no questions asked. It's all about making sure your dog is happy. All right, let's sum it up. BarkBox is like a monthly party for your dog. It's a celebration of joy, fun, and love. With flexible pricing options, high-quality toys and treats, and excellent customer service, it's definitely worth every penny. Your dog will be the happiest pup on the block. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to snag your special discount. It's a great way to start your BarkBox journey. Give your dog the gift of joy every month with BarkBox. They deserve it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, keep those tails wagging.